Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get high quality image prompts in Leonardo AI using this prompt. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this prompt is actually provided by Metrics Mule, so all the credits by this website metricsmule.com and also their YouTube channel. So I'm going to share you guys this, so you can go ahead and create quality images using this platform to create AI images such as this ones. Okay, so let's start by going over to the website metricsmule.com. Go over to ChatGPT here and go over to AI art prompts or Leonardo AI prompts. So there. So in here on the first one, we can use this one. So you just have to copy and paste this. So I will link this website on the channel and go ahead and go over to this one. So for example, you just have to go over first to ChatGPT. So this is a free, you can use the free one without the paid version for this. So all you have to do is paste this and it will ask you for a couple of questions. So you just provide a specific topic. So for example, a man running on money. Yeah, right there. So all you have to do is copy and paste this prompt. But let's compare that first to our um, normal AI art prompt without this high quality prompt. So for example, we want this one, a man running on money. So let's try and paste this after. So let's try that. So as you can see, the difference is very noticeable. And it will depend also on the model if you are on using this Leonardo AI. And there guys, so there guys, that is how easily you can go ahead and um, use this for high quality images like this ones, introducing a photorealistic format. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.